So today we wanted to do a video on our new skinny jeans and address those of you that are so against skinny jeans because you think they're maybe too narrow at the legs and they'll make your hips look really long, or they're too short and you'll look like you're wearing high waters, or maybe you just don't think they're flattering or only flattering for a size 2. And so this brand we love because it doesn't have any of those issues, and it also, if you go to skinnyjeans.com and read their testimonials, most of them are from size 12 to 14 women and how much they love them and how slimming they are. And they also sell them so they're long enough. You can get a jean all the way up to a 37-inch inseam. And so the other reason we love skinny jeans is they have done everything to make them more slimming and flattering. They are made from classic denim, but they also have a high nylon, which means the jeans almost create a memory to your body shape, and they don't sag or stretch out, so you don't have to wear them. You don't have to wash them every time you want to wear them. It also comes with a fading, if you turn around, a fading and shading pattern that make the legs appear longer and slimmer. That's another reason we love these. And they also, if you turn around one more time, on the pockets, they design them to make your rear look smaller and shapelier. And also, they have a medium rise, which means it holds in the stomach. So those are just a few reasons we love the Skinny brand jean, and so we want you to come on in and try on a pair.